Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the eToro application. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the eToro application and log out from your account from within, then you might find that some of your login information could still be saved within the eToro app. So in order to clear this login information and log out completely, long press on the eToro app icon and from the available menu, tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for eToro. Now from this page, click on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application is stopped, scroll down and tap on storage, and from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to clear all of your user data. Now once this step is completed, if you open up eToro once again, you will find that none of your login information exists and you will need to sign in all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on eToro safely and securely. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.